I'm going to show you two neat methods of finger multiplication. The first one deals with the 9 times table, and it involves simply spreading your hands in front of you like this. Let's say you want to work out 4 9s. First of all, number your fingers from 1 to 10, going from left to right. You want 4 9s, so find finger number 4 and bend it forwards. As you can see, there are 3 fingers on the left of the bent finger. This gives you 30. And there are 6 fingers on the right, so the answer is 36. Here's another one. This time I'll try 7 9s. Find finger number 7 and bend it forwards. There are now 6 fingers on the left. This gives you 60, and 3 fingers on the right, so the answer is 63. The method takes a little practice, but it's very quick and efficient. Next, here's a more general method for multiplying using your fingers, one that works for all the numbers between 6 and 10. It's slightly more complicated than the 9 times one, and so it'll take a bit more practice, but I assure you it's well worth it. Spread your hands in front of you, but now bent inwards like this. Again, you're going to number the fingers, but this time the numbering on both hands is the same. From bottom to top, call them 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, let's suppose you want to find, say, 6 times 8. Simply touch the 6th finger on the left hand with the 8th finger on the right. The answer is worked out in 2 steps. Step 1, add the touching fingers and below. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. For step 2, you have to use the fingers above the touching fingers, but you don't add them. Instead, you count separately the number on the left, that's 4, and the number on the right, 2, and multiply these. 4 times 2 is 8, so there's the answer, 48. Try another example. Suppose you want to find, say, 7 times 7. Touch the 7 finger on the left hand with the 7 finger on the right. As before, the answer is worked out in 2 steps. Step 1, add the touching fingers and below. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. Step 2, look at the fingers above the touching fingers. There are 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Multiply these. 3 times 3 is 9, so there's the answer, 49. One final example, let's do 8 times 8. Touch the 2 8 fingers, add the touching fingers and below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 60. And above the touching fingers, there are 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Multiply these. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 64. Actually, it sounds more complicated than it is, but when you and your learners have done a few, you'll quickly get the hang of it. And that's finger multiplication.